My name is Captain Kit McNear. I'm the tournament director at the Van Worm Resorts, right here in fabulous Los Barriles, also known as Cabo del Este. This area is one of the top spots in the world for catching striped marlin, tuna, and dorado, and wahoo. And our season here in Cabo del Este, the East Cape, runs May through about mid-November. That's our offshore fishing season. There's fishing all year round. In the cooler water months, which would be November through about April, we get bottom species, sometimes offshore species, but we get very good yellowtail, pargo, cabrilla fishing here in the off-season or the cooler water months. But during the summertime is the highest per angler of anywhere in the world. That's how good the fishing is. And one of the reasons is right offshore here behind me is some of the most incredible underwater topography and geography anywhere close to the beach. Canyons, drop-offs, seamounts, things that attract bait fish and game fish. And there's no place quite like this where you have a resort right on this fabulous fishing grounds where you walk out on a dock and get on your boat right in front of the hotel. Very user-friendly.